Welcome to day 16 of our 21 baby steps with the Fly Lady system, Suzy style. Now we are shining our sinks. Yes, we are doing our laundry, we are dressing to shoes and all that jazz. But sometimes we get so caught up with cleaning and organizing our homes that we forget the people we are doing it for. And that's why my baby step number 16 is having a family bonding time. It is very important. I have found that I want to make it part of my daily checklist to spend time with my children and with my husband, because sometimes we get so caught up that we forget to spend quality time with our families. So this can be either part of the morning routine as we have breakfast together, plan how the day is going to go, and all that. Can be part of the evening routine when we have dinner together, just sit around the table. By the way, it is so important to sit around your table and actually have dinner together. Guys, let us unearth our dining tables. They are not for storing things and putting things over. They are for actually sitting around as a family with the TV off to have a proper meal. It is crucial to make this part of your daily routine, because here is where you hear how everybody's days went, how it was in school, what they liked, what they didn't like, have some questions that you guys ask. Let's find out how people's days are going. It is so important, and for us, we have really made it part of our routine to make sure that we have at least one meal together. And for me, it is even more crucial because sometimes I do travel for work and I feel so bad when I'm missing these meals and when I'm missing this family bonding time, and I try to make sure that I am there, as in when I'm available, I always make sure I have enough time with our kids, which is most of the time anyway. So now make sure you put it as part of your morning or evening routine, and also having family devotions. How will these kids adopt our faith and our values as a family if we don't specifically schedule time to share these things? And also, one more tip, if you can, try to have alone time with each child. I have spoken before about how we try to make time for our families, and one thing that we love to do is to have mom dates or dad dates where we take a month, my husband and I, one person takes 1 month, and then for every week of that month we take one child out for a meal and for some special bonding time. So I will do the month of January, he'll do the month of February, and because we have 4 kids and there are 4 weeks in a month, it works out so well, and the kids really love this. So that's one thing we do to spend special time with our kids, because it helps them feel like they have your undivided attention. They love this. Also, having a specific family night every week. You can call it family council if your kids are bigger, where guys talk, guys bond, they have fun. Also, what else do we do? If people have grievances, this is the one area that one time you can tell kids, by the way, it's open, it's free, say. If anyone has done something you've not liked, here's where you can share. And again, I said, especially as your kids get older, they need to know that there are open lines of communication. So basically, have it in your schedule, in your checklist, to spend time with your kids, spend time with your family, have date night with your beloved husband. Oh my gosh, it just keeps things so spicy and romantic, and it is so nice. So yes, that's what we are going to do. Tonight, I've just come from work, so tonight we have planned to have family night, and we are going to play with the toys that we bought for our kids for Christmas, because fun times are galore. So that's what we are going to do. I'm going to take a few snippets, show you guys how it is going to be, and I'm really looking forward. I'm very pumped to spend family bonding time with my family. Let's do this. Wait, it's one more talking, one can speak. Ready, grab your people. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, yes. Go! Okay, you didn't get any. How many do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The baby won again. All right, let's put them back. Get better.
It's a really hard game.
Is it?
Not too hard. Also, on something empty.
We need more marbles. How can we get more marbles?
1, 2, 3, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
So, are you ready for our last round? Can you see how we do it now? 2. Are the hippos ready? You ready to grab your hippo? 1. Are you ready? Yeah. 3. Sorry. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, let's see who's the overall winner. I think it is the big bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, was it so much fun or what?
It is fun.
Okay. What do you thank God for today?
I thank God for you
Oh, thank you.
and me.
Oh, and yourself. Yeah, that's good.
Christmas.
The wonderful Christmas. It was amazing.
What
Yeah.
does this mean, Mama?
I'll read for you later. What do you thank God for?
You forgot to point at me. I thank God for.
There we have it. I mean, how cool was that? I mean, how adorable are those guys? Yes, they are our children, but I just think they are so amazing and wonderful. And I make sure I tell them that quite often. Please speak nicely over your children and to them. Yes, so that's how it went. Please remember to keep tagging me on Instagram, take photos. You don't have to send me photos of your children, you guys. You know how I am about putting children on the internet, but you can just share what happened on your family bonding time. Also, we are still going strong with our checklist. Guys, I'm so proud of you for the feedback that you are giving me over on Instagram, on the comment sections of this video, because some of you are not on Instagram. Please keep that coming. I am so encouraged. I'm so happy to see that we are making a difference. You guys are just my BFF. So now, remember, sometimes I can be so dramatic. Anyway, please remember to keep doing your checklist. Keep filling out your morning, afternoon, and evening routine as we go along. And also, don't forget, we are doing the permanent one in our control journal. Very key, guys. This will be our manual for running our homes. By the time we are done with the Fly Lady system, we will know exactly what is what and who and where is which. Okay, very important. Keep filling out your control journal and have fun in your family bonding times. I'm so proud of you, ladies. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of you. Can you see the pride? Can you see it? So anyway, let me see you tomorrow. Let me stop with the drama. Bye.